guys, welcome back to Hammond, Louisiana. Today I'm catching the northbound. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. Life happens and I can't post some days. But I try. And yeah. I get a video today, so yeah, I'll get to you when it arrives. I kind of want to go for a crossing shot, so I think that's what I'm going to do. Check. Ooh, looks like we got a train waiting down there. Nice. I just love Illinois Central. Okay, after I got the Illinois Central landmark out of the way, I don't know exactly. I mean, I believe they placed them all around for some reason, but they're like Illinois Central stuff. I don't know much about them. But I just want to show you guys that. I think I've showed you guys that before, but hey. I believe it's in sight now. Yep. Okay. Getting to my position. Okay, so I believe it's about to arrive. So, yeah. Dude, this works as almost like a traffic camera. I guess. I don't know. I don't know who would like it. I don't know. You know there's this thing called school bus spotting? That's an actual thing. I find that really cool how like you have hobbies that are similar to rail fanning but for like other modes of transport. Like I see like you have plane spotting. Which I'd love to go do that one day. I don't know if I posted on this channel. I think I posted probably on Astros Extras, but I don't know. It seems like something I'd enjoy. I mean, I like aviation a little bit. Not as much as trains, but yeah. This channel's pretty much only trains. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet now. Two P42 DCs. That is amazing. Really rare to see a P42 on platform level. Like this. Listen to that rattling. That's Mr. Kenny. He's a station attendant. Because something happened. But yeah, I love this consist. This is a beautiful consist. Two P42s. Don't you love them? Soon these are gonna be good. Like gonna be basically extinct. Hey. One of my favorite engineers. Makes this consist even better. I'm not just your stereotypical foamer. I've got connections. I'm joking, by the way, if you can't tell. But I love my P42s. Really sad to see these locomotives go. Hopefully at least like 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 get preserved. I mean, it'd be really sad if they just vanished off the surface of the earth. Hopefully not, like, what I'm trying to say is I hope like some get preserved. I mean, speaking of preservation, oh, that's funny. There's a kid over there, probably like, what, 4 or 5? Maybe even younger than that. He's got like a little camera. Like a little, like, cheap camera, but he's with his dad. It's really inspiring to see that the hobby's gonna continue. Not inspiring, but like wonderful. It's really amazing to know that I'm not the only one who likes the hobby. Or my generation, at least. I think it's been a long segment so far. Oh, here it is. Rare sight to see. Look at it flying out of here. Anyways, yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Astro Brady out.